everyone, welcome. Look what I got for Christmas. The circuit maker. It's not Christmas yet, but my husband wanted to give it to me now, so I can start using it. I'm so excited. So let's open it up and see which one he got me. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, here we go. Start with this, because it says let's get started. To begin, go to the website. Alright, I'm gonna get this all hooked up and then I'll take you over there. Okay, there it is. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't have anything, like I said, any supplies to use this though, so I'm gonna have to go to the store. But it did come with, like I said, one of the, I don't know if they're etchers, I'm not really sure what they're really called. So it come with, I guess, a lid for the pen marker that it comes with. And also, I can't find it, hold on. And he also got me this, just a basic tool set. So, okay, so now that we've seen the Cricut, my husband took me the next day, which, well, today for me, to Michael's, and I'll show you what I got. And right now, oh, especially on the Christmas stuff, well, I'll show you real quick. Woohoo! These three was buy one, okay, and get two free. So I got these 3 pads, 2 of them were free. So I got this Christmas, what does it say? Christmas Plaids, 24 designs, and that's the 12 by 12. So there are some of them. Let's see if we can't open this. Hold on. Okay, now we can look at it. They're so pretty. So it looks like we get 2 of each. I really like that. Oh, I'm loving this paper. I love that. Ooh, like that. And then it's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got that gold foil right there. That's really pretty. I have a feeling I'm going to love this whole entire thing. Ooh, look at that. That is very pretty. Ooh, love. Okay. You're just going to hear me say, ooh, I love this. Ooh, I love this. I like this. Don't love it. I like it. Love this. Love this. Ooh, love that. I know I'm not a fan of gold, but I love the gold foil on the paper. It's so pretty. Ooh, like that. Love that. Love that. Love that. I absolutely love this one. Alright. Love that. Ooh. Kind of charcoal color with the gold. Very pretty. Love this. Love this. Love this. Wow, very, very pretty. Love this. Ooh, I like this. Love this. I love this. Very cool. And that one. Love that one too. Yeah, seriously, like today is December 13th. Seriously. So tomorrow will be the 14th when I upload this. I know it's not my craft day. It's supposed to be my baking day, but I'm switching days. So, yes, go hit Michael's. Alright, here, that, remember I said it was buy one and get two free, so don't know which ones were free. They were all the same price, so look at this one. That is so stinking cute. Holly and Jolly. Oh, and the mugs with the cocoa in it. I love that. Oh, that one's cute. You got your little snow globe. And then the paper has got like falling snow. Very pretty. Love that. Then you got your mistletoe. Oh my gosh. Alright, this one's so cute. Look at that. Love this paper. Oh my gosh. It's going to be a magical Christmas. And it's got the poinsettias. Very pretty. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the snowman. They're so adorable. Oh, and this is cute. It's got the mittens up here. Very cute. Love this. Oh, wow. That reminds me of the paper my husband got me a couple weeks ago. Love that. And it's got the glittery. Love it, love it, love it. Got some more poinsettias. Oh, this one's cute. There's no place like home. Super cute. That's very pretty. And it's got, this one's got the green kind of foil on it. I don't know if you can see the shine or not on the camera. Oh, and it's got die cuts. Or wait, it's the stickers. Oh no, you have to die cut them out. Or cut them out anyhow. Love those. Super cool. Love those tags. Snowflakes. Happy holidays. Magical Christmas. Wonderful time of the year. Oh, love it. Yeah, love that. Oh, and the Christmas presents. Oh, love this. Love this. Oh, here's my favorite. My absolute, positively favorite right there. The red truck. Yas. Love. And we got some snowflakes. Oh, this is really pretty. That's pretty. Oh, we got some more cutouts. See, I love these cutouts. Oh, all of these are so pretty. Oh, it's a kitty. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And then the last one. Oh, my red truck again. Yay. And then it's got more of the snowman and the cocoa, the tree, the ugly sweater. Well, I don't know why people say they're ugly. I guess some of them can be really ugly. That one's not bad. Alright, so there is that one. And then the last one, this is Jewel Tones, and it's a textured cardstock. There's 48 in this one as well. I really hope that this comes out in the right color, because looking through the screen, it dulls it. It's not as vibrant as what it really is. So I'm hoping in the video that it's more bright and vibrant. So looks like we get quite a few of those. And then we got a darker green. Green's not my favorite color, is it? And then we got into the blue tones. I don't know if you can see that texture now. Can you see that texture? Right there. That's going to make some pretty cards. And then we've got a darker blue. Kind of got a purplish tone to it. Very pretty. And then we've got a purple. That's pretty purple. And then we got kind of a pinkish red color. I think, no. And then we've got a really bright pink. So, yeah. Very, very pretty. So I really do hope it's not muted like it's showing through the camera. Alright, next, oops, I got kind of a champagne color. It actually matches my Cricut maker. So I don't know if you see that. These were buy one, get one 50% off. Here you can read. There you go. And then I got one in a really pretty dark green. Love that one. Again, it's more muted to the camera, so I'm hoping you guys are actually seeing the true colors of these. And then all of these were 50% off. The next few things, as far as the Christmas stuff goes anyhow. So this was 50% off. It was originally $5.99, so I got it for $3. So I need to open this. And this is embossed 6x6 paper, so it's got the texture already in it. I don't know if you can see that. Do you see that? So when I take my inks to it, it'll really pop out. There you go. Some snowflakes. That one's a little harder, but there's words. And then this one's got words. And there's 2 of each. Or is there 3 of each? Oh, 3 of each. That one's got really pretty snowflakes and swirls. And then this one has got, oh, Santa Claus and the reindeer. So cute. There you go. Now you can see it a little better of what they were. Got that. They only had one of these, so I grabbed the last one, and again, 50% off, so I got it for $3. That wasn't a very good deal, but I don't know, it kind of was, I guess, if you think about it, because look how gorgeous that is. $2.50. Yes, $2.50. So that was a good deal. $2.50, that was a pretty good deal. And then these, again, were 50% off. And I got this Merry Christmas with some snowflakes. And then this one says Season's Greetings. And then it's got the, oh gosh, I just said what, mistletoe. Alright, that was it for the 50% off. So got these Cricut markers, and they're metallic, and look how pretty those are. Can't wait to use these. And then these ones, I just got the pins. I don't know if you can see that. And then it's got all those colors. Very, very pretty. So put those to the side. And then I got the double scoring wheel. They didn't have the score stylus, but they did have this, so I got this. So we'll see how it works with the cards, because I don't know, I'm brand new to this, literally. And then this is an embossing tip, so we'll see how well this does. And then if this works great, then I won't have to get any more embossing folders. I can just use this. And these were on sale for 50% off. They look like little screws, I love them, and then some little hearts. So cute. Alright, and then I got some of the textured paste. If I use a stencil, let's say, you know, like this, and I rub, or, you know, put this over the card, it'll kind of raise it up and give it a texture. So, got some of that. And then finally, the last two things, I got some transfer paper. I hope that was the right thing to get to make anything stick, I guess. I don't know. I think that's what my sister said to get. And then I got this. It's a holographic vinyl. So pretty. So there was my little Michael's haul. That was my Christmas, I should say. So I got my Christmas early. Anyhow, alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I am still so excited. I can't wait to start playing around with this and learning it. I'll definitely be doing videos on it. So stay tuned for that. I might have to start adding another day to my videos. But anyhow, alright, if you are not subscribed and you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I do put videos out every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And yeah, leave me a comment on what you guys think of my little haul and my Christmas gift. Like, so amazing. I love my husband. He's such a great guy. Alright, don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to always smile. Love y'all. Bye.